This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can calibrate or recalibrate your remote controller. So to start, take your RC or launch the DJI Fly app on your phone, depending on what controller version you have on your hands. Then over here, tap at the, first of all, make sure that the drone is switched off and both RC and drone are unpaired. Then go into the connection guide here. Then open the camera view. Here tap at these three horizontal dots, go into control, then scroll down until you'll find the RC calibration option. Tap on it. Now make sure that the control sticks, those two are centered, which they obviously are. So do not push or hold them in any direction, just leave them be. Here tap at the start option. And now you gotta push the controller to all the axes or to all the sides like that, gradually, as well as scroll all the dials that you have. So this one and that one. So once all the required actions are done, it will let you know that the calibration has been successful and well completed successfully. So that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.